Hey my dolls, so it's your girl A. coming at you guys today with a product review on a product that was sent to me from Wigstensions, and this is their Shake and Slay Lace Tint Spray. It retails for $11.99. You can choose between 3 colors. You can choose between beige, golden, or mocha. And these are a 2.7 fluid ounce bottle. So that's a lot. And basically this spray is going to help you tint your lace so you don't have to tint it on your own. It's tint, and you don't have to necessarily pull out your concealer or your foundation if necessary. They have done it for us with this spray. The spray is buildable and customizable. It does not stain your hair or anything like that, so that's a good thing. Plus, it eliminates the need to have to boil water and put in dye and all that other stuff. So I honestly think this is a good invention, especially for those of us who don't have the time to do so. So basically, you can choose. So basically, what they're saying is the beige is perfect for fair, brown, and tan skin with natural yellow and cool undertones. The golden is ideal for medium tone skin. Golden is a mid-range brown base with warm undertones. And then your mocha is best for dark skin tones. So basically, if you have like a deep or rich brown cool undertone, mocha is going to be your shade. But of course, you can purchase all 3 and customize your own lace tint spray if you wanted to. And so let's see here. So it says the easy spray nozzle allows you controlled application in an even and seamless manner. The consistency, blending of colors, and even the base shades on their own allow for highly natural looks. So Wigstensions spray can be applied to the interior of the wig, so that so they're saying less mess and things like that. And it allows for much cleaner application. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and see this. Oh, most importantly, they are saying that this spray has antibacterial properties that keep your wig clean and make them last much longer. So, okay, cool. Alrighty. So, let's go ahead and check this out. Let's see how this works out. Now they're saying it's ideal if your knots are already bleached, but I don't have a bleach knots wig because I don't bleach anything, because I don't want to mess with any bleach or chemicals like that when it comes to hair. But I am going to use it on a human hair wig. I'm pretty sure that this can work on like a synthetic wig, but I have a human hair wig in front of me that still has a lace attached, and the I don't think the lace will probably blend in with my skin tone. And I have the Naked Nature Brazilian Natural Wet and Wavy wig from Shake and Go, and the Loose Deep. So we're going to see how this works on this wig, okay? So here is the wig. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take her off the mannequin head, and I'm going to go ahead and turn her inside out, because you have to turn her inside out, of course. Alright, so y'all see that? She has a pretty good little frontal on her. Not a whole lot of lace though, so yeah. But before I even do that, let me show you the sprays on a napkin. So this is beige. That's beige. And it smells really, really good. This is Golden. And this is Mocha. So beige, mocha, so beige, golden, and mocha. Those are your three colors. Here are your three colors. So beige, golden, mocha. Okay. So like I said, these are customizable. I don't think I have to mix them just yet to customize it to my liking. I think that I can best go with golden without having to, you know, customize it too much. Now, you are going to need a blow dry because the blow dryer works best with drying this instead of allowing it to air dry. Your blow dry is going to be your best friend. Also, what I like about this does not stain your hands, so it's a very clean application because it does not stain your hands. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to stop rambling now. We're going to go to the next clip, and then we're going to talk about this product some more, okay?
Beat it up like...
Hands on your knees.
Beat it up like... 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 Beat it up like...
Ladies, I wanna see you back it up, 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 back it up. Hey.
Yeah, so I have done a demonstration on the Wigstensions Lace Tint Spray, and I must say I really do like this spray. It's very convenient. I don't have to use tons and tons of powder on my lace or, you know, waste tons and tons of my own makeup on my lace, because this definitely is the bomb. I have not bleached any knots. I have not gone in with any of my powder foundation. This is what the lace looks like after the lace tint spray. It looks really good. Now, I do want to reiterate something. This lace tint spray does not conceal knots, so I just want to let you guys know that. Now, they did say that this does give better results with bleach knots, but it does not bleach, you know, it does not hide the knots. So you can still kind of see my knots here on this lace wig. Now, this lace wig is a Beauty Supply lace wig, so of course, you know, we got to work double time to definitely conceal these knots, but this helps. This helps. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to have to add my powder foundation, but I do just want to show you guys that it does help blend it in even more, so I don't have to use, you know, tons and tons of foundation. So this lace tint spray comes in 3 colors. So you're going to get beige, golden, and mocha. I use the shade golden for my lace, and this is golden in the middle, and this is mocha, and this is beige. Now, what you can do with these lace tint sprays, you can definitely customize them and make your own blend by mixing the tint, by mixing the sprays together. You can definitely mix them together if you purchase all 3. I definitely think this is a good investment, especially for those who are not, you know, well versed in, you know, actually tinting the lace on your own. This is very convenient, very affordable, $12. You can't beat that. Black owned. Support your black owned company the way we support these other companies, okay? Definitely support this company. I highly recommend it. Very good product. Now, as far as it being messy, it is a little messy. I'm just gonna say that it is a little messy. So you do need to have like a towel on hand or something. But for the most part, the cleanup is very nice. It doesn't stain your hands, nor does it stain your hair, which is a good thing. So I'm not even mad about that. But yeah, look at that. No powder, no foundation, no concealer, no bleach, nothing. It did what it was supposed to do. So do I recommend it? Yes, I do. Purchase links will be down in the description box as always. So I'm gonna stop rambling on. Y'all comment down below, tell me what you think about this product, and I will hit you guys up with another review. Bye, dolls.